Alright, we're on. Well, as you can see the radio here in the background, it's taking quite a bit. This thing is actually starting to make some noises. But, boy, I tell you, it does have weak tubes. Test them. I had to order 3 new tubes for it. It's just barely working the way it is. But that's to be expected for a radio that's, well, it's as old as I am, actually, from 1950. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it was making some noises. My brother Ron's been working on it, and he basically had a smoke and fire test the other last night when he was working on it. So he's been working on it, but it's slow going on this. But eventually, I'm pretty sure he's going to get it going. I mean, I took it apart. I had this thing. This is the oh yeah, if you see this. Look at the power supply. If you look at that power supply right there, do you see that brown tape on there? Well, that's actually brown duct tape I threw on there, because what happens is it slides back underneath here and it'll short out on some capacitors underneath. And they had the same kind of thing, only what they did was some cloth tape that was actually rotted away on this thing. So, yeah. Okay, it's making noise, but it's not a happy camper yet. It's funny, but little by little it'll get back together, I'm sure. But you can see this stuff here it's some pretty interesting stuff down there. But it does have some weak tubes, so I've already ordered those, and it'll take a couple days to get here. And then there's one of the stages that's kind of messed up. But anyway, just a little short update for you. And I have stuff spread out everywhere. You think I got a junky place? I do. I mean, I got stuff I'm taking apart over there. I got the Variac is hooked to this thing right now. I just got the speaker today for the transceiver over there in the corner. And I don't know about that, but I'll get around to that one too. You can see I got too many projects going on. And the S20R is still over there in the corner. So anyway, but that's the way it goes here. You go from spits and spurts and whatever. But anyhow, that'll be it for... We gotta get in the frame first. You're out of the frame right now. Get over here. See? See?
I'm eating soup.
She's gonna spend the night with me tonight, isn't that nice? Yay. Get to spend the night with Grandpa, huh?
I was eating hot and sour soup.
What? Oh, you're eating hot and sour soup? Yeah. Listen, it's making noise. You want to put that up to your ear and go deaf? No. I know, it's loud. Yeah, I know. Anyhow, so...
What's this for?
Well, number one, I'm not going to do anything to it. It's probably picking up something from there. Anyhow, say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Because you're going to go now. And I'm going to go now.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I see an eyeball.
Bye-bye.
Get out of there.
Bye-bye.